This is so cool here. An old artifact is bringing new life to a local park. The VFW, Green Township, and some local businesses are bringing a Huey helicopter to Veterans Park.
Yeah, and if you love history and our veterans, you're going to want to see this. It symbolizes the Vietnam era, but before they get all of it in place, there is a whole lot of work to be done. Only on WLWT, our Brian Hamrick has the story.
Well, this Huey helicopter had a full military career in Vietnam and has the scars to prove it, but now it's headed to a new destination. Won't fly again, but it will be in the air.
This is the symbol of Vietnam. If you see here or see one of these, you'll automatically think of Vietnam.
It's an artifact that, to Mike Doinnelly, speaks loudly without making a sound.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it's got a real throaty sound to it.
It was used extensively in Vietnam, and so was Doinnelly, who is VFW Post 10380 commander. Now both he and the Huey have a new mission.
I figured we needed something to tell the story of our war.
This one will speak volumes to those who hear it with their eyes and to generations yet to come. The plan is to put it high up on a pedestal in Veterans Park, where it will fly far into forever. It was pulled from the weeds of an Alabama surplus, carrying its own history written in enemy fire. You've got some artifacts here you're going to try and uncover, like some of these could actually be bullet holes?
That's correct, yes. They put plates over any bullet holes.
Charlie Wilke, VP with Paul Wilke and Son, are doing the restoration. He has a connection to the Huey.
I sat actually right where that panel is now.
He served in Vietnam too.
So this particular helicopter has a real meaning to you.
It does.
Because you flew on this exact one.
Right, exactly like it.
The cost to buy it was nothing, but the renovation is expected to take about $100,000. They're just beginning to fundraise for a symbol that says a lot, even when it's silent.
Now, they hope to have this entire helicopter restored and in place by Memorial Day next year. Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.